Hello, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. Today we discuss about zoology second year, unit 1, digestion. Unit 1, digestion. Unit 1A, digestion. Zoology. Second year. Zoology second year. This video number is C3. This video number C3. Unit 1A. Digestion. One, two, six, seven. Today we discuss tears of tooth. Draw this diagrammatic view. Today practice is tears of tooth diagram and labeled parts. First of all, draw this diagram. Next one, labeled diagram. At the public examination point of view, very important in this question. Draw this diagram and neatly labeled diagram. TS of tooth, transverse section of tooth. Okay. First of all, practice of diagram. Okay. Draw this diagram. All our students, draw this diagram. Practice this diagram. Very important in this chapter. Okay. This is the diagrammatic view. What is this diagram? TS of tooth. TS of tooth. TS of tooth. Okay. This is the diagrammatic view. Next, label the diagram. Diagrammatic view only 2 marks. Next, label the diagram 2 marks. Total this question. Yes of tooth. This question totally 4 marks. Only diagrammatic view. We get only 2 marks. Next, identification parts or labeled parts. Written by labeled parts or identification parts. We get 2 marks. Total 4 marks. So, parts of identification. This is crown. Okay. This is this part. Crown. And next, neck. This part. Neck. And this part. Root. And this part. Root. Next. Yes of root mainly 3 parts. Crown, neck, root. Next. Enamel. Enamel. Dentine. Enamel. Dentine. Next. Pulp cavity or pulp cavity. Pulp cavity or pulp cavity. Next, blood vessels. Blood vessels. Blood vessels. And next one, nerve. This is nerve. Next one, jawbone. Is this piece of two parts or labels? First, enamel, and next one, dentine, and next one, pulp cavity, and next one, blood vessels, and next one, nerve, and jawbone. This is the TS of tooth. It is very important in public examination. This question is asking at the 11th question in IPA. 11th question. Very important in this question. Practice this diagram and label the parts. 1 or 2 times maybe practice. Next label the parts. Compulsory 4 marks. We get 4 marks in public examination. This is the first unit 1A. First unit 1A asking this question. LTS of tooth. Diagram the neat labeled diagram the TS of tooth. This is the diagrammatic view. This is the diagrammatic view. This is the identification of labeled parts. Okay. Note this diagram and label the parts. All of the students compulsory practice. This diagram only practice. We get 4 marks. Only practice. We get in IPA examination compulsory 4 marks. Okay. Next we discuss adult human dental formula. Next we will discuss adult human dental formula. Okay. Adult human dental formula. Okay. Adult human dental formula. 1, 2, 3. Adult human dental formula. We see 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. This is upper jaw half of the part. This is lower jaw half of the part. 2, 1, 2, 3. This is upper jaw half of the part. Teeth. Next 2, 1, 2, 3. This is lower jaw half of the part. Teeth. Total teeth 2, 3, 5, 8. This is upper jaw. Next lower jaw 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, 8. Adult human dentals or teeth is 4 types. Adult human or adult human beings have teeth 4 types. The first one incisors and the second one canines and the third one premolars. and the fourth one molars. Adult human have teeth four types. The first one incisors. First one incisors, and the second one canine, and third one premolars. Premolars, and fourth one molars. Fourth one molar. Adult human being have four types of teeth. The first one incisors, and the second one canine, and the third one premolar, and the fourth one molars. So first one incisor, and second one canine, and third one premolar, and fourth one molars. Fourth one molars. So upper half of the jaw, above the upper half of the jaw, below the lower half of the jaw. So total teeth 8, upper jaw and lower jaw 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 equal to 16. 8 by 8 total 16 into 2. Into 2. This is one part. So this is one part. Total 2 parts. So 16 into 2 multiply 32. Total teeth in adult human beings 32. Adult human beings total teeth have 32. So this is the adult human dental formula. This is the adult human dental formula. 2 by 2 incisors, 1 by 1 canines, 2 by 2 premolars, 3 by 3 molars. Total 8 by 8 equal to 16 into 2 equal to 32. So this is the adult human dental formula. Okay. Next one, and next one tongue. Next one tongue. Tongue. It is a movable muscular sense organ. It is a movable muscular sense organ. Sense organ. Next, tongue surface has papillae are present or papillae. Papillae are present. Tongue has three types of papillae. Tongue as papillae. Papillae are three types. Papillae are three types. Papillae are three types. First one, fungiform papillae. First one, fungiform. Fungiform papillae. Next, second one, filiform papillae. And third one, circumvallate papillae. Circumvallate papillae. Tongue, it is a movable muscular sense organ. It is a movable muscular sense organ. Tongue surface has papillae are present. Papillae are tasting buds. Tasting buds or papillae are three types. The first one, fungiform papillae, and the second one, filiform papillae, and third one, circumvallate papillae. This is the tasting buds in human beings. Tasting buds in human beings. Tongue surface attached with tongue surface. This is three types: fungiform, filiform, and circumvallate papillae. Human beings have tongue surface, three types of papillae. It is called as tasting buds. This is three types. The first one, fungiform papillae, and the second one, filiform papillae, and the third one, circumvallate papillae. These are the tasting buds of in human beings, attached with human beings tongue surface, attached with human beings tongue surface. So it is papillae. Okay.